The aim of this short film is to take a look at some of the new Bristol water fisheries pike fishing regulations and promote the responsible handling of fish. The only methods allowed are artificial lure fishing and deadbait fishing with sea fish. As of January 2016, Bristol water fisheries require all anglers to use either a minimum of a 40-pound braid or a 20-pound mono line. Wire traces must be used at all times, with a minimum length of 18 inches and also a minimum breaking strain of 40 pounds. Only one prong of any double or treble hook being used for deadbait fishing shall have a barbed hook for bait retention. All other hooks must be barbless. The main body of any lure must measure at least 4 inches and doesn't include the attachments like the hook, the feather, the tail or the spinner blade. And attached using 18 inches of 40-pound wire trace.
Up to 4 inches is the length of the actual lure. Blades, feathers and such like do not count as part of the lure. Therefore, body size only is 4 inches. On the lures, crush the barbs. So you're fishing with a barbless lure.
Anglers must carry adequate means to safely unhook and handle fish without harming them. Long nose pliers, bolt cutters, an unhooking mat, a large landing net are all essential kit to be carried and used when necessary.
You want a large unhooking mat. It needs to cover the full width of the boat and it needs to be good and thick. This one is well over 2 inches thick. Before you put your fish on the mat, make sure it's good and wet. Again, for fish protection, we don't want it leaving its slime on a mat, and on a warm day, a hot mat can burn the fish.
The good handling and safe release of all returned fish can only be a good thing. When deadbaiting with a float, strike early. This will help prevent the pike from taking the hooks too deep. Use your long nose pliers to safely remove the hooks and work as a team with your boat partner to help each other out. Fish are much happier in the water, so you may need to return the fish into the net before you weigh and take your trophy photographs.
So the fish is kept in the net while the other person preps up the weighing equipment and camera.
It is a Bristol water fisheries requirement when it comes to landing pike to use a large knotless landing net. The net must have arms of at least 36 inches, or if using a round net, have a diameter of at least 30 inches.
Okay. Still £9, a little bit smaller than double. Well, there we go. This will be the smallest tube fish I've ever photographed.
Take your time when releasing the fish and support it until it's ready to go. For the full list of pike fishing regulations on Chew Valley Lake, visit the Bristol Water Fisheries website at www.bristolwaterfisheries.co.uk. And for more great advice and support with your pike fishing, take a look at the Pike Anglers Club website at www.pikeanglersclub.co.uk.